Meaning of Lilian Baylis.
Lilian Baylis.
Lilian Baylis.
Lilian Baylis.
Lilian Baylis. Lilian Baylis was an English theatrical producer and manager who was best known for her pioneering work in the development of the Old Vic and Sadler's Wells theatres in London. Through her tireless efforts, Baylis helped establish these two venues as important cultural institutions, bringing world-class theatre and dance to audiences in the UK. Additionally, she also played a key role in the development of British ballet, working closely with choreographer Ninette de Valois to establish the Vic Wells Ballet, which later became the Royal Ballet. She is remembered as a passionate advocate for the arts and a significant figure in the cultural history of England.